Hey guys, today in my kitchen we are making game day pork buffalo sliders. Whether you like things a little spicy or want to keep it simple, this is the recipe for you. So stay tuned, welcome to my kitchen, and let's see what I am making. You will need lettuce, tomato, an onion optional, pre-cooked pork, butter, hot sauce, honey, and any type of roll. So let's get cooking. To start, we are going to take our rolls and we are just going to simply slice them in half, and then we'll get working on our meat. For the sauce that goes onto our meat, we are simply just going to take 1/4 of a cup of butter, 1/4 of a cup of honey. Helpful hint, if your honey doesn't want to come out, just heat it in the microwave for a few seconds. It's just because it crystallized. And just like that, your honey should come out easier. Like that. And now we are going to take 2 tablespoons of hot sauce and our meat that we have pre-cooked. I just did mine in the Instant Pot for about 45 minutes. I use pork chops, but you can do pork tenderloin there even. Or you can just cook some of your meat up in a frying pan or boil it in a pot of water on medium-high for about an hour. Now we are simply just going to heat this up, and once it's warm and everything's nice and melted together, we'll continue on with our sandwich. While our meat heats up, can you please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and also hype the video because that's a thing now. I really appreciate those that do, and thank you so much. A banana. And now that the butter has melted and the meat is nice and heated up, we're just gonna stir that all together. And that is as simple as the meat gets. Now let's continue on to slicing up our vegetables. So for our onions, I left the root end on and I chopped off the part that has the thinner string, and then I cut it in half and peeled the outer layer off. And simply all I am going to do now is thinly slice my onion. You don't want big chunks of this just because you don't want it to be too intense. If you want it to be a little less intense because you just absolutely can't handle it, you can simply soak your onions in some water for about 30 minutes and that'll take the sharpness out of them. And now for the tomato, you're just going to slice off the one end without the stem, and then you're going to chop it in half. And we're going to take these, assuming you like tomato, we're going to take these into thicker slices. If you don't like tomato, you can always substitute with bell pepper, like a red bell pepper would be good. Or you can do something else entirely. And now for our lettuce, I am using a nice butter lettuce here. So I am just going to trim off the ends, but the end goal is to get leaves of lettuce like this. You can chop it smaller if you want, but I'm going to leave mine as is because I'll be chopping into the sandwich one serving. And now that we've gotten everything ready, including our bread sliced in half, we are going to start assembling. I am simply just going to put down a layer of lettuce. And I like nice thick layers of veggies, so don't be shy on them. My tomato. just all over, like so. My onion, you can use as much as this as you want. I like onions, so I'm going to use a bit more than most people would. And make sure you get it everywhere because you want the flavor throughout. And then I am just going to simply top with my meat. This is going to be a good sandwich. And now simply put your lid on top. Press it down to let everything kind of come together. And I am going to slice into this and have a taste test for y'all. So simply just cut it in half. Or not in half, into bun-sized pieces. Ooh, this is gonna be nice and messy too. Hopefully you like a nice messy sandwich. And now let's take a taste test. No words. Just pure enjoyment of a sandwich. And there we have it, a simple sandwich that you can make in no time on game day if you have everything prepped. It is so good. It has a nice sweetness, a nice spice, a nice butteriness, and I highly recommend you go make this. Until next time, a banana. You light up my life.